Have you ever noticed that your mind never stops? Right now, even as you watch this, there is a voice in your head, commenting, judging, planning, worrying, replaying yesterday, rehearsing tomorrow. Thoughts arriving like waves, one after another, never stopping, never asking permission. Ancient sages called this the monkey mind, a mind that swings from thought to thought like a monkey swings from branch to branch, never still, never satisfied, never at rest. And 500 years ago, Guru Nanak Dev Ji looked at the human mind and said something that stopped everyone around him. He said, "The answer is not to fight the waves, the answer is to dive beneath them." This is Waheguru Chronicles, and today we go deeper. In our last episode, we explored the Mool Mantar, the root declaration that opens Guru Granth Sahib Ji. Today we continue the journey into Japji Sahib, the opening meditation that Sikhs recite every single morning before the sun rises. And in this section, Guru Nanak reveals something that modern psychology is only now beginning to understand, that the deepest transformation a human being can experience does not come from thinking more, or doing more, or achieving more. It comes from something most of us have completely forgotten. Listening. Truly listening. Not hearing, but truly, deeply listening. And then something even more radical than that. Faith. Let us find out what Guru Nanak really meant. Guru Nanak opens this section of Japji Sahib with one of the most honest observations ever written. By thinking, he says, God cannot be reduced to thought. Even by thinking hundreds of thousands of times. Read that again slowly. You cannot think your way to truth. Now this is radical, because almost everything in modern life tells you the opposite. Think harder, study more, research everything, overthink every decision, analyze, calculate, plan, strategize. And yet here is Guru Nanak saying, the mind by itself cannot reach what it is searching for. Why? Because the mind is like an ocean. Guru Nanak writes, the streams and rivers flowing into the ocean do not know its vastness. Think about that image. A small river flows its whole life toward the ocean, and when it finally reaches it, it dissolves into something so vast, it cannot comprehend what it has become. Your thoughts are like those rivers, endlessly flowing, endlessly searching, endlessly arriving at the shore of something they cannot fully understand. The ocean is truth. The ocean is Waheguru, and no individual wave can contain the whole ocean. So what do we do? If thinking cannot get us there, what can? And then Guru Nanak repeats one word over and over and over again. Suniai. Listening. He says it at least 11 times in a row. Suniai. Sid Pir Par Nath. Listening. The Siddhas, the spiritual masters, and the seekers of the Lord. Suniai. Dat Daval Akash. Listening. The earth, its support, and the heavens are sustained. Suniai. Pohi na Sakai Kal. Listening. Death cannot even touch you. Suniai. Tare Papi Pa. Listening. Even sinners can be carried across. Now you might be thinking, this sounds too simple. Just listen? That is the answer? But Guru Nanak is not talking about hearing words. He is talking about a quality of consciousness, a state of being so fully present and open that the divine wisdom which is already all around you can finally reach you. Think about a radio. The music is already in the air right now. It has always been in the air, but without the right frequency, without tuning in, you hear nothing but static. Suniai is tuning your consciousness to the right frequency. And Guru Nanak says, within the mind are gems, jewels, and rubies. If you listen to the Guru's teachings, even once, not years of meditation, not extreme spiritual practices, just one moment of genuine, open, true listening. The treasure is already inside you. Suniai is simply the key that opens the door. After Suniai comes something even deeper. Mannai, faith. And this word needs to be understood carefully because it is not the blind faith that people sometimes misuse. Mannai in Guru Granth Sahib Ji means a deep, settled inner knowing. Not forced belief, not performance, but genuine trust that comes from direct experience. Guru Nanak writes, "The faithful have intuitive awareness and intelligence. The faithful know all worlds and realms. The path of the faithful shall never be blocked. The faithful find the door of liberation. The faithful are saved and carried across. The faithful, O Nanak, do not wander around begging." Notice something beautiful here. Every single thing Guru Nanak promises to the faithful is something every human being desperately wants. Clarity, direction, freedom, safety, belonging. The faithful have intuitive awareness, meaning they stop second-guessing themselves constantly. They develop a deep inner compass that guides them. The path of the faithful shall never be blocked, meaning obstacles come, challenges come, pain comes, but somehow the faithful always find their way through. And the faithful do not wander around begging, meaning there is a profound inner sufficiency. A sense that everything you truly need, you already have access to. Not because life becomes easy, but because the faithful are connected to something that is larger than any single difficulty. Now Guru Nanak says something extraordinary about what happens when Suniai and Mannai combine. He says, listening, dive deep into the ocean of virtue, not the ocean of chaos, not the ocean of noise and worry and restless thought, the ocean of virtue. In Guru Granth Sahib Ji, virtue is not about following rules or performing goodness for show. Virtue is the natural state of a soul that has remembered its connection to Waheguru. Think of it like this. When water is still, it reflects the sky perfectly. When water is disturbed, it reflects nothing clearly. Your mind, when it is disturbed by endless thought and worry, cannot reflect the divine light that is always shining. But when it grows still through Suniai and Mannai, it becomes like a perfect mirror, and what it reflects is the ocean of virtue. Kindness without effort, patience without strain, wisdom without study. These things arise naturally, not because you forced them, but because you stopped blocking them. And then, Guru Nanak closes with a line that I want you to carry with you after this video ends. He writes, "Even kings and emperors with mountains of property and oceans of wealth, these are not even equal to an ant who does not forget God. An ant that does not forget God, more powerful than a king with oceans of wealth. Because the ant, small, insignificant, invisible to most, carries something the emperor does not, a constant, unbroken connection to the source." Guru Nanak is telling us that the most powerful thing any human being can possess is not money or status or intelligence or beauty. It is remembrance, simply not forgetting, simply staying connected. And the practice of Suniai, of deep listening, is how you rebuild that connection. Every single morning, before the world wakes up and pulls you away. In the Amrit Vaila, the ambrosial hours before dawn, you sit, you listen, you remember. That is all. Your mind is like an ocean, and you have been swimming on the surface your whole life. Guru Granth Sahib Ji is the invitation to stop swimming and start diving. Because the treasure was never on the surface, it has always been waiting below. Subscribe to Waheguru Chronicles so you never miss an episode. Next week, we go even deeper into the 5 khans, the 5 realms of the soul that Guru Nanak describes as the journey every human consciousness must travel. Leave a comment below. Do you ever feel like your mind never stops? Tell me what keeps you up at night. Share this with one person who needs to hear this today. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh.